Alam nyo, sinasabi na sa panahon ng mga ganitong okasyon, holidays, doon tumataas ang bilang ng mga nagsusuicide. Because in the midst of celebration, it is then that they most feel the loneliness that is within. Absence. That is our generation, a generation of absence. And what is God's gift to our generation? Not only to our generation, but even to the generations that came before us. The gift of presence. The gift of presence. Sa Ebanghelyo, sabi ng Ebanghelyo mula kay San Juan, and the Word became flesh and made His dwelling among us. Ang Diyos, ang salita ay nagkatawang tao at nanahan sa piling natin. With the birth of Jesus, God is telling us, you should not feel lonely anymore. You should not feel the sense of absence anymore because I am here. Emmanuel, God dwelling among us. That is God's gift to us, the gift of presence. At sana po, mga mahal na kapatid, matapos nating tanggapin yung katiyakang ang Diyos ay kapiling natin, sana maging instrumento naman tayo na magpapalakas ng loob sa ating kapwa na at magsasabing, kapatid, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kapatid, may kasama ka. Kasama mo ang Diyos. Kasama mo ako. We are God's presence to each other.